Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Google Classroom quiz. So you're going to go to Create. It says Quiz Assign, but I actually like to use Assignment. So I'm going to put Government Quiz. And then you'll go to Add, go to Google Drive. It's already up here for me. It's my BA class, one I previously used, but if you can't find it, just go to Recent or My Drive. Either one, you should be able to find it. So I'm going to click on Add. Now, make sure it's on locked mode if you want it to be where that is the only thing the students can access. If you do have it to where they can go through and look up different stuff for the quiz, you'll want to make sure that is turned off. I don't do that in my classroom, so I leave it on locked mode. And also, you want to make sure that the grade importing is on, because that is going to be an easy access for you when you go to import your grades to the Google Classroom Gradebook. It automatically grades it for you. In a different video, I'll show the benefits of using Google Forms as quiz or surveys for your school. The due date, let's say your class starts at 8 o'clock and it's over at 9. So you'll pick 9 o'clock a.m. That way that they have to have it completed by then. Sometimes I make it at 11:59 or due the next day in case you have a student who's absent. This quiz, you can change the point system. It's only out of 12, so that's the way it's graded. And it will be assigned to all students. And that is how you upload a quiz.